Jello, jello. So the other day I sugar waxed my armpits for the first time, and mwah, chef's kiss. Usually I sugar wax my armpits, but like, usually I wax my armpits, but with like regular wax strips from Wally World. And let me tell you, sugar waxing 100% better. And I got a bunch of questions on how I made the sugar wax and how I wax and blah blah blah. So we're gonna do that again today, except on my hairy legs. But first let me show you how I made it. I already filmed this whole process before, so basically you just need a 1/4 cup of water, a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and then a whole cup of sugar. You're gonna mix it well. And yes, I tasted it and it tastes good. But you're gonna bring it to a boil, and then you're gonna let it boil for about 5 to 7 minutes. Don't mix it while it's boiling. Boil for 5 to 7 minutes, and then let it cool for about 20 minutes off to the side before you finally put in your mason jar. This is a mason jar I used, and this is the color it ended up cooling to. So yeah, that's how you make it. Now let's go over everything you're going to want to use. So I'm going to get a paper towel, and I also got this dust brush, and I have my sugar wax mixture. It's been sitting for a while, so it's just like, it looks hard, but it's not. And then you're also going to want some baby powder, or I'm using cornstarch. I'll explain this in a second. I'm going to take the cornstarch and and we're just gonna dust a little bit onto this paper towel. What this is gonna do is soak up whatever sweat that we have. You don't want to sweat, and you don't want your legs to be, I think that's good enough. You don't want to sweat, and you don't want your legs to be like, to have water on it. You want it to be completely dry, or else the wax will not stick. Forgot to mention, I am in no way, shape, or form a professional at this, and this is just what I'm doing, okay? Anyway, so we have this. I'm gonna attempt to use a rice spoon, but I also have a backup. I don't have a popsicle stick, but I have a backup like other stick, just in case the rice spoon is too, unless, just in case the rice spoon is too slick. We'll see. So we're gonna get some out. Actually, you know what? Before I get some out, let me start by telling you the direction. So you're gonna get some of the powder. And I'm gonna use the powder, for example. You wanna go, you wanna apply in the direction that your hair grows. And I mean, opposite direction that your hair grows. And then you're gonna pull in the direction of your hair growth. So this is my first time waxing my legs ever, and I'm excited to see. I don't really need the powder. I probably will need it more so for my hands, so I'll put more on my hands later. It is colder out, so all right, let's get some of this out of here. I feel like this rice spoon is gonna break because it is colder. The wax is harder, so we're just going to have to deal with that. Ugh! You could warm it up, but I did not do that. I'm just making it more difficult for myself. Okay, we got a small little decent amount there. And I'm just going to pull that out, and then I'm going to play with it a little bit to warm it up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I don't want to get the stickies everywhere. There we go. Let's warm her up a little bit. You should probably use a bigger piece than this for sure, but let's put some cornstarch on that baby, both sides. Oh my gosh, are you guys ready? Let's do this thing. I might show from a different angle too, just so that you have a better view. Okay, let's do a little we're gonna do a little portion first, since that's what we have. Now, I want to attempt to try with this part. Let's see. I'm going to start this low. And we're going to try. No, I feel like I'll do it better with laying it with my fingers. So I'm going to take this and I'm just going to put it about here. Oh, can you even see? I hope you can see what I'm doing. And I'm just going to put it all up on my leg hairs like so. And then I always see people doing the flicking motion and they use their hand, but I'm gonna attempt to use the spoon. And we're gonna go, ready? How do I brace myself for this? We're gonna go down, okay? 1, 2, 3, down. Oh, that's nice. Nice. Yes. No blood yet. I loved that. I'm gonna try this angle and hopefully you can see a lot better, but I'm just gonna dust some of this on there, even though, like I said, I don't really need it right now, but I'm gonna dust that on there and get some on my hands. Another thing I forgot to mention is you're gonna wanna have baby oil for like the sugar wax that does end up sticking to you. And oh, I'm trying to get the ball. This is the ball that we already used. I'm just gonna keep using this ball until there's too much hair in it. I am so happy with how it's coming out so far. That was our first sugar wax together. Okay, so see how it's like sticking to my hands? You want to make sure you get some, oh, I put a little too much. You want to make sure you get a little bit of cornstarch on there. And then I'm just gonna go, let's see, where did I leave off? I'm just gonna do the rest of this whole line, I guess. Put some of that on there. So, like I said, you're gonna go, where did I leave off? We'll go right here. You're gonna go about here and you're just gonna swipe up. I'm kind of scared how it's gonna feel like on my scar. So I think I'm gonna stop it right here. Yeah, I'm gonna stop it right there. And then we're gonna go in with a little flick. You're gonna go down. So I'm gonna take this part here and hold on to it and go, try to stay like close to your skin as you're pulling it down. And ready? Hopefully I don't hit the thing. I might hit the, ready, set, go. Oh yeah. Put a little bit of pressure. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I love it. I love it. This is so fun. Okay, we're gonna put it back together. Put a little bit more wax and we're gonna do one more together. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just do the rest off camera since you get the point. You get what's going on. I missed this part right here. But yeah, you understand the drill. You understand the drill. Fun fact, I used to pluck my knee hairs when I was bored. I would just pluck my knee hairs. Super random. Put a little bit more powder on there so it doesn't stick to me. Okay, let's start from, oh, you can't even see. Let's start from, let's see, where are you at? Let's start from down here. And where is the part where I left off? About here. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna go up, up, and away. Oop, that was a thin strip, but oh well. I'm gonna try to do a really big one too. Okay, ready? Ooh, 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 ooh. 1. Oh, I gotta make sure I don't hit anything. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah. Oh, ooh. Oh yeah. That's nice. You can see a little bit of irritation in my skin. I feel like as time goes by, like the more I do it, the less irritated my skin would be. But I feel like also, let's see if we can speed up the process by just going like this. Like, taking it from here, spreading up. Ah, the pressure that I'm putting on my leg. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, boom. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That one we didn't really get a good pull. Well, that one we didn't really get a good pull. So we're gonna try again. I don't like that way. I like doing it with my fingers better. Okay, I'll be back when I'm done with the whole thing and show you the end results, because that's basically all you're gonna do the whole time. Focus, focus. Okay, here's the difference between the two sides. I did miss a few spots, you'll like right there. And my skin is a little, like, it doesn't feel irritated, but I can see that there's a little bit of bumpies. But I think, like, because this is what happened to my armpits too, and it went away like after a few minutes or whatever, but it feels so nice. And then you're also going to want to take some baby oil, and you're going to hold on, let me get some baby oil, and you're going to rub it all over. This just helps remove any extra sugar from your skin. Let it sit there and let it do its job, and then you can just wipe it off, rinse it off, wash it off whenever you're done. You'll see, like, right here, it's gonna end up just like trickling off. But yeah, there you go. Reminder, I am not a professional. This is just what I did, and this is just for the people who asked what I did. So yeah, do at your own risk. Do your own research first if you want to do it professionally. But I'm in love.